In this video, we solved the second numerical of curved surface submerged in a liquid. So first we understand the problem statement. Figure show a gat having a quadrant shape of radius 2 meter. Quadrant shape means it is 1/4 part of a circle. Now here we see this the figure. This is the free water surface and this AB is the curved surface. And AB is the quadrant part of a circle, means 1/4 part of a circle. And this O point is the center. And it's have radius of 2 meter, means O2A is radius, O2B is the radius, and it is the 2 meters. Here the Fx is acting horizontally. This is the Fy, it is acting vertically in a upper direction. Why it is in upper direction? Because here the curved surface is supported by some other surface. That's why the Fy is acting in a vertical directions. Here we need to find out the resultant force due to the water per meter length of the gat. Means we need to find out the F. Okay, and what is the equation of the F? F is equal to under root of Fx square plus Fy square. Means first we need to find out the Fx, Fy, then after we are able to find out the resultant force F. And we also need to find out the angle at which this total force will act. Means we need to find out the theta. So here first we mentioned the given data. It is the radius of the gat is given. It is a 2 meter. Means OA is equal to OB is equal to 2 meter. Width of the gat is given 1 meter. Distance, that is AO OB, is also 2 meter. It is a radius. We need to find out the resultant force F, and theta means the angle at which the resultant force is acting. It is called as the theta. So first we find out the horizontal force Fx. So Fx is the force on the projected area of a curved surface on a vertical plane. So Fx is the horizontal force and it is acting on the vertical planes. So here we know that the AB is the curved surface, but we can consider Fx is acting on the vertical part of the AB. So vertical part of the AB or a projected area of the AB is the OB, because we know that the total pressure force Fx is acting normal to the plane. Normal to the plane means at the 90 degree. Means this Fx is acting at the 90 degree. That's why we need to take the projection of the projected portion of the AB, and projected portion of the AB is the OB. So force on the OB or BO is equal to rho g A into h bar. Now we already know that the rho of the water is 1000, g is the gravitational force, it is 9.81. Now what is the area? So area we need to find out for this AB plane. So when we see from the right side, the OB is look like as the one rectangles. Okay, so what is the area? Area of the BO is equal to 2 into 1. So 2 is the height of this rectangle, and what is the width? Width is given to the 1 meter. So area is the 2 meter square. Now what is the h bar? So for the rectangle, the h bar is the h divided by 2. So height of this rectangle is the 2 meter. So 2 divided by 2, the h bar is equal to 1 meter. Now we put all these four values in this equation of the Fx, that is rho is 1000, g is 9.81, a is the 2 meter, and h bar is the 1 meters. And we multiplied all these four parameters, then we are able to get this answer of the Fx. It is of 19620 newtons. Second, we need to find out the vertical force, and vertical force is the weight that is the acting on the curved surface AB. So Fy is the weight of water supported by this AB. So what is this? Volume. So volume we need to find out. First we need to find out this area of the AOB into its width, then we are able to find out this volume. So this area of AOB into 1 is indicate the volume, and this volume is multiplied with the rho and g, that is convert into the weight. Now we put the value of rho, it is 1000, value of g is 9.81, area of AOB is the 1/4 part of the circle. Okay, for that we need to use the equation pi by 4 into r square. By mistake here the 4 power is mentioned, but it is the 2 raised to 2, means it is a square of 2, into width, it is the 1. If you confuse by using this equation, so first we can also find out the area of full circle. So area of the circle is pi by 4 d square, and it is a quadrant part, means 1/4. So we can divide the equation of the circle by 4, means pi by 4 into d square divided by 4. So by using that equation we are also able to find out this area of AOB. So here we need to consider 2 square. By mistake here it is a 2 raised to 4 power is mentioned. So Fy is equal to 30819 newtons. Now we have Fx and Fy. So we are able to find out the resultant force F. So what is the equation of the resultant force? So equation we already derived in the last videos, that is a various derivation of the curved surface submerged in a liquid. So F is equal to under root of Fx square plus Fy square. Now here we have the Fx, here we have Fy, so we are able to find out the F. So here we putting this value of Fx, that is a 19620, Fy is equal to 30819. So we are able to find out the F. So F is equal to 36534 newtons. So here we find out this one parameters. Now second we need to find out the theta. So what is the theta? Theta is the angle made by the resultant force with horizontal. So it is find out by using this equation, that is a tan theta is equal to Fy upon Fx. We already find out the Fy, it is 30819 divided by Fx. Fx is 19620. So tan theta is equal to 1.5708. But here we need to find out the theta. So we are supplying this tan on the right side. So it is a 1 upon 10, means 1 upon 10 is equal to tan inverse. So theta is equal to tan inverse 1.5708, and by using the calculator we solve this equation and we get the answer of this theta. Theta is equal to 57 degree and 31 seconds. So thank you for watching this video. If you learned something, then like the video and subscribe my channels for watching the more video related to FMHM and other subject of mechanical engineering. For FMHM subject, various link is provided in descriptions as well as in card. For other subject, I request to visit the playlist.